Thank you. Let me get back to the slides. Where'd they go? Okay, can you all see the slides?
Yes, looks great.
Okay, all right, I can see them now too. Good. So this morning I'm going to tell you about the biggest dermatology problem in the world, perhaps the largest therapeutic problem in the world, how our company is poised to dominate this market, and the fact that we have a great opportunity for near-term and large investor return. Imagine this is your little girl. On the left, you can see the redness around her face. This is atopic dermatitis. We shorten it to AD. You probably know it better as eczema. AD is incessant itch. It's awake all night. It's lost concentration at school or work. It's embarrassment in public. This picture is after 11 months of treatment with multiple different atopic dermatitis drugs. And on the right, you can see after only 17 days of treatment with our Alphyn that the redness is all gone and there's even a little bit of a smile peeking out. So we have been doing this all along in our clinical trials. Atopic dermatitis market is huge. We based our forecast on 88 million sufferers. J&J just reported they think it's 100 million sufferers. Important about that number is we find each of the major markets where our product can address is a multi-billion-dollar market, and those multi-billion-dollar markets drive large exit transactions. We've already completed a phase 2 trial, 2 phase 2 trials, in fact, with market-leading results. Use this slide in the big picture. Look at the darker green boxes where our Alphyn was the best compared to competition. The lighter green boxes, we were as good as the competition. And please note, for the top priorities to treat an atopic dermatitis, we were the best. Our drug is the only drug to treat the critical priorities, and we were highly effective in treating the standard priorities. Our key opinion leader dermatologists tell us this leads to drug of choice in this big market. We're in a very good regulatory position. We've had a waiver of the phase 1 clinical trial from Australia. They've approved it. We've completed it. You just saw the results. We've had a number of meetings and correspondences with FDA, and we just submitted our IND, or request to start clinical trials. The EMA, or European submission, is ready to go. We'll hold it until we get FDA's input. And the next big milestone for us, the phase 2B clinical trial, starts January 25th. We are raising a Series B right now, $18 million. $7 million is received. That $18 million funds 4 strong exit milestones. 2 of those milestones are already funded. As you'll see in the next slide, we expect that this will be our last raise, and the liquidity event could be in 18 to 24 months. There are 3 recent exits in atopic dermatitis, all over $1 billion in transaction deal, all at phase 2 or earlier, where we will be at the end of the next of this raise. And what does that mean for the Series B investor? Well, if we do a Sanofi deal, it's 25x return. If we do an Amgen deal, it's 22x return. If we do a J&J deal, it's a 20x return. Our management team has done it before. My last exit was 16x. Our president is a longtime P&G executive with great operational skills. Our chief scientific officer brought Bactroban, the blockbuster drug from GSK, to the market and was the lead clinical trial protocol writer for Keytruda. And if I summarize, our Alphyn is showing commercial superiority, which we expect will drive strong stockholder and partner return. I look forward to seeing you in the breakout room.